So, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to use AppBar in your project. So, go to Material UI and in Components Demo, search for AppBar. In AppBar, there is several shapes like AppBar with buttons, simple AppBar with a primary search field, like AppBar with menu, AppBar with search field, AppBar for desktop only, bottom AppBar like this. It's amazing. So how we can use AppBar? Here, like this, simple AppBar. Click here, show the source. The first thing you need to do is to import AppBar from material UI / core and then /AppBar. So go to your VS Code, import AppBar from here, AppBar from material UI / core / AppBar. Okay, and here how we can use it? Just AppBar. Okay, if you open your page, you will not see anything. Here, maybe menu, and here is our AppBar. Okay,